Hello, good morning. Um, this video is uh, basically directed to my fellow solar engineers out there. You I really want to get your opinions on this. Why do you think solar panel always catch fire on the roof? Why? What are the causes? You understand? I'm going to talk about it briefly. But I also want my engineers out there, my solar engineers out there, to also chip in their own take on that. You understand? So, why? What are the causes of this fire incidents? You know, related to solar panels. Now, uh, number one causes of it is undersized cable. Undersizing cable is one of the most dangerous thing you can actually do when it comes to solar system. Now, you before you size your cable, there are some calculation you need to do in order to know the size of the cable, for you to know the size of cable that can actually handle the current you are generating from solar panel. Now, number one causes is cable sizing. So you must make sure that your cable size, you know, is enough to handle the current coming out from the panel. When you if you go online, you check, cable size and current they can actually they are capable of carrying and all that. Now, if you have much panels from if you have, depending on your connection though, there's this series connection, parallel connection, and when you are doing more of parallel connection, that is that that at that point you are generating more current. So you have to be very careful the kind of cable you are using at that point, so that it will able to handle the current. Anytime you are done with installation of solar panel and you touch your when after the installation, you've already sent your solar panel to your charge controller. Just at that point, when you know that the charge controller has started working, that is when it draws current from the panel. Now you touch your cable and your cable is hot, is a bit hot. You understand? That means